Are you ready to break free from financial stress and start building wealth? The truth is, wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how you manage, invest, and protect your money. So if you're tired of the paycheck-to-paycheck grind and you're ready for a real financial transformation, keep watching. In this video, we'll go over 7 wealth creation tips that can change your financial future. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Pay yourself first. Let's start with the foundation of wealth building. Paying yourself first. Before you pay any bills, buy any clothes, or grab that coffee, set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments. This is the golden rule of wealth. Automating this process is key. That way, it happens without you even thinking about it. For example, let's say you make $3,000 a month. A good rule of thumb is to set aside at least 10%, so $300. Transfer that automatically into your savings account or a retirement fund, and then work with the remaining $2,700 for your expenses. Over time, this adds up. Automate your savings so it's one less thing you have to think about. Use apps like Acorns or a high-yield savings account to make it easier. Tip number 2. Master your budget. Now that you're paying yourself first, let's talk about budgeting. A budget doesn't mean restricting yourself. It means taking control of where your money goes. If you don't have a budget, you're flying blind with your finances. But when you budget, you can see where your money is going and make intentional choices. You could use tools like Mint, YNAB, which is the acronym for You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet. Start by listing your income and all your fixed expenses, rent, utilities, insurance, etc. Then look at your variable expenses, groceries, entertainment, and so on. The goal isn't to cut everything out, but to see where you can reduce unnecessary spending. Budgeting apps help you track your spending and save for your goals. Try setting specific savings targets, a vacation fund, emergency savings, or retirement. Tip number 3. Start investing early, even if it's small. You've got your savings on track, but now it's time to grow that money. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to create wealth, and the earlier you start, the better. The magic of compound interest is real. Even a small amount can grow into something huge if you're patient. Let's say you start with $100 a month. It doesn't seem like much, but if you invest that in a diversified portfolio of stocks or an index fund and earn an average return of 7% per year, in 30 years, you could have over $100,000. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Start with low-cost index funds like the S&P 500, which historically have an average return of about 7 to 10% per year. Tip number 4. Create multiple income streams. The wealthiest people don't rely on a single income stream. They have multiple ways of bringing in money. The more diverse your income streams, the less risk you face from economic downturns, job loss, or market volatility. Side hustles are a great way to start. It could be something as simple as freelance writing, tutoring, or selling products online. You can also invest in dividend-paying stocks or start a blog that earns passive income over time. Start with one income stream, and as that grows, you can add others. The goal is to build a financial cushion and eventually have your money working for you. Tip number 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's easy to fall into the trap of upgrading your lifestyle. A bigger house, a newer car, or fancier clothes. It all feels good in the moment, but these expenses can eat into your ability to save and invest. Instead of upgrading your car when you get a raise, keep driving your current car and invest the extra income. It's a simple change, but over time, those small decisions add up to big wealth. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about being intentional with your spending and putting the extra towards long-term goals. Tip number 6. Invest in yourself. Investing in your knowledge and skills is one of the best ways to increase your earning potential. You are your best asset. Whether it's taking a course, learning a new skill, or reading books, make sure you're constantly growing. For example, if you invest in learning a high-demand skill like coding, graphic design, or digital marketing, you can charge more for your services and increase your income. Take a course, read books, or find a mentor to speed up your progress. Even small investments in your skills can pay massive returns in terms of higher salary, more job opportunities, or business growth. Tip number 7. Think long-term. Wealth isn't created overnight. It's built through consistent, long-term action. The biggest mistake people make is trying to get rich quickly. The true path to wealth is steady, disciplined investing, saving, and smart decision-making. Think about Warren Buffett. He's one of the wealthiest people in the world, but his strategy is simple. Invest in solid companies and hold for the long haul. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven, reliable way to build wealth over time. Zoom out and think in decades, not years. The decisions you make today will compound and benefit you decades down the road. Bonus tip: building wealth isn't about overnight success. It's about consistent action, smart decisions, and staying focused on the long game. Take one of these tips and start today. Remember, it's not how much you make, it's how much you keep and grow. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to hear next week's practical financial tips. Type "I am on the road to be wealthy" in the comments below if you're ready to start building your wealth and what helped you make that decision. And share this video with anyone who could use a financial boost.